Welcome to Kasem International. Established in March 2003, Kasem International was founded with a singular vital focus: the manufacturing of food contact products that demand the highest levels of hygiene and safety. Our state-of-the-art facility was engineered from the ground up to be a global benchmark for reliability. Today, we are a leading producer in baby feeding and kitchenware industries, serving as a trusted partner for families worldwide. Our products range from baby feeding products, mama care, to kitchen accessories and medical devices. In this unwavering commitment to production excellence and customer care that has made Kasem International the preferred choice for leading brands and retailers in over 20 countries. We don't just manufacture products, we deliver technical solutions and manufacturing excellence that set the standard for the global market.
Kasem for last 2 decades have been focusing on making safe hygiene food contact products, and complying with the gold standards of the world, because Europeans have many regulations in terms of very stringent regulations, and the whole aim is to make products which comply with all the global standards.
At Kasem International, sustainability isn't a new trend for us, it's our legacy. For years, we have integrated a sustainability in everything we do philosophy to ensure our history of quality leads to a future of responsibility. Our dedication to the planet and our partners is built on 4 core pillars: our policies, our products, our processes, and our people. We hold ourselves to global gold standards. We are ISCC certified for verified biocircular polymers and have achieved the Green Industry Award 3 years running. Our ISCC certified biocircular polymers allow our supply chain and products to remain green. Encouraged by our clients, we utilize EcoVadis assessments to remain at the top of our game, ensuring ethical business practices through our BSCI certification.
Material is very important in this whole part, because for any sustainability, it starts with the material. But claiming all the material being sustainable is being a big challenge, right? So there is a framework which has come in, which is called ISCC Plus. Now this ISCC Plus gives us a framework on which we can work with materials which has a traceability from the material maker to a converter who is converting into products. Then it is going into some warehouse, and then from warehouse to the marketeer, and marketeer to the retailer. All this is being traced, and documentations are kept so that this whole traceability can be done. So ISCC Plus certification is a very important certification which we have undergone, and we are certified right now. We buy from the certified suppliers, and then it makes the whole value chain much more validated, and the claims which we make to the consumers are much more having much more validity and conformity.
Innovation is in our materials. Using life cycle assessments, we ensure durability and recyclability. Our sustainable line features KipDur, high durability biocircular polymers, KipBio, 100% renewable plant-based sources, and KipLon, fully biodegradable and compostable solutions. Our products also include our packaging, which is FSC certified and uses recycled paper along with a jigsaw design to minimize glues and staples that limit its recyclability.
So for last 5 years, we have been working on innovative materials. So basically, we have divided into 3 parts of these material. One is recycling the present material, which will reduce the usage of fossil fuel. So that's what we have called KipDur. It's like durable material which complies with the global standards and the standards for which the products are made, and it is also very sustainable because it's been recycled and it's fully 100% recyclable. Then there is another new material which is coming up, is called KipBio, which is made from ethanol and the ethanol comes from plant-based waste, like say sugar cane waste or wheat husk, or and then from ethanol, through chemical processes, it is made in ethylene and polyethylene. So then the plastic is fully 100% bio. It does not use any fossil fuel, so it comes from directly plant-based. So this is another innovative raw material which we are working with, but it has some limitations in terms of complying with all the standards, because as of today, the standards which have been made and implemented are all made for plastic for last 4 decades. So what has happened is that there is no framework on which these materials can be evaluated. So at this point there are certain limitations, but this is a new alternative material which is coming up fast, and it is slowly being replacing these plastic materials made from fossil fuel. And then there is another material which is basically PLA based, which is fully biodegradable. So this has been used in disposable products at this point of time, in many disposable items which you see in the world, like cutlery sets in airlines, and there are many other products which are disposable. Even in disposable poly bags, these materials are used. So that's how we are trying to address this whole challenging situation and what we face today with fossil fuel and carbon reduction.
Our processes are as green as our products. We've improved energy efficiency with solar panels, supporting our packaging suppliers to do the same, and shifted to sensor-based lighting. We've drastically reduced water, paper, and manufacturing plastic waste. Our machinery has been optimized to improve efficiency and reduce power usage to lower our carbon footprint for our products. All of our waste material has either been reused or resold. Our people are our center. We provide equitable environments with specialized safety provisions for our majority female workforce, including overtime safety and preventative health screenings. We extend this care to our consumers through transparent, traceable systems like QR codes, empowering the end buyer with knowledge. Each label informs the buyer which parts of the packaging can be recycled and how sustainable the product in their hand actually is. Our staff is active also within our community through volunteering of different services, be it through blood donations, cleanup, or promoting reforestation.
What are we doing is that we think that we need to have a lot of certifications which ensures traceability, because that's the main focus right now, is that we are talking from cradle to grave. So a product goes from our factory, we buy raw materials, and it reaches to consumers at the retail. So what we need to do, and that's how the framework is coming up now, is that how we can be transparent to the consumers that this whole supply chain in terms of the products are made at which place, made with what materials, what are the quality of these materials, source of these materials. So everything is transparent to them, and this is a very challenging job because there are different people involved in this. There's different points of interaction. So what is very important is to get this whole supply chain done for the consumers, and that is where we are working with different certification process like BRC, British Retail Consortium. There is a consumer certification process through which we get this whole traceability done properly. Then we are working with ISO 13485, which is for medical devices. So we are working on that. We have BSCI, which is more towards ethical, but then again it talks about the processes which we have in our factory. So that is how we think that we need to go forward in terms of having this whole supply chain traceability done, so that the consumers are beneficiary for this whole process, and they know that how these products are made, where it is made, which gives them much more confidence in terms of our quality and the quality of the product, right? So that's how we are looking for next 5 years. But the world is changing fast, so there will be many other things which will be coming up. So let's see, but we'll keep updating ourselves, and we are trying to adapt to the situations.
Our journey doesn't end here. Sustainability is a path of continuous improvement. Together with our clients, we will keep refining our products and our processes to be safer, cleaner, and better for the world we all share. Thank you for being part of our story.